So far so good. This is just the best and the best gizzard jollof, guys. This recipe is just everything, trust me. Hi guys, welcome back again. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you're welcome. My name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. If you're interested in seeing how I made this delicious goodness, keep watching. First, I'll go in with my already washed gizzard, onion, salt, and no seasoning. Then thyme. I don't really like the smell this comes with, so I'll just go in with some thyme to take it out a bit. And afterwards, I'll take out, fry, and then I'll set aside. Guys, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, we still want to get to thousands and thousands and thousands. Do well to subscribe, share this video, like, comment, and share. Okay, thank you very much. So at this point, our gizzard is cooked, well cooked, you can see. So now I'll take out, go in with my vegetable oil, and then fry.
I have seen the Lord's goodness, His mercy and compassion. I have seen the Lord's goodness. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Oh Lord, you have been so good. You are so good to me. Oh Lord, you are excellent in my life every day. Oh Lord, you
So guys, we're done frying our gizzard, and yeah, I'm using same vegetable oil. We're not taking it out, and what I added is bay leaf and chopped onion. I will stir this a bit and then go in with some curry powder, some rosemary, and thyme, and I'll just combine together before going in with my tomato paste. Guys, I used just tomato paste, no addition, no subtraction. Yeah, so I'll just stir this, allow this to fry well to remove that I don't know, there's this taste it has, tomato paste usually have. So I'll just fry this well to take it out. Okay, so afterwards I'll go in with my jollof spice, salt, and no chicken seasoning. Guys, I don't know why, but no should better look for me. Start looking for me. Oh no, look for me, because everything and anything I make is no, either beef or chicken. So no should look for me, please. So guys, next I'll go in with my no chicken seasoning. Yeah, so I'll just stir this and then go in with my washed rice. I didn't parboil this rice, I only washed this rice thoroughly, wash well, wash with both cold and hot water, then pour it in. Okay,
you've been faithful, Lord, from the ages past. That is why your name is forevermore.
so guys, what I did here is I allowed my rice to steam a bit before going in with my meat stock. And guys, if you don't have meat stock, you can use hot water. I think cold water makes your rice to be soggy, so you don't need that. Okay, so I'll just combine together and then I'll cover to cook on a low heat. Emphasis on a low heat. If you want that perfect jollof rice, cook on a low heat. Okay, thank me later. So guys, 15 minutes later, let's check if our rice is ready. And yes guys, our rice is quartered to be ready. So I'll just go in with some chopped fresh pepper. You know, we use tomato paste for this recipe. We need some heat. If you don't want this, please skip. Okay, and next I'll go in with my peels, carrots, and green beans. Finally, I'll go in with my butter and combine together.
Who is like you, Lord, in all the earth? Matchless love and beauty, endless hope. Nothing in this world will
Finally, I'll go in with my well seasoned and fried gizzard and I'll combine together, and then I'll cover to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. And finally guys, our gizzard jollof is ready to be enjoyed. Guys, please and please just try and make this recipe for your family and friends for this holiday. Trust me when I say they will love it. They will love it big time. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please and please don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, comment and share this video. Please share to your loved ones, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Okay, bye bye.